When the weight of public scrutiny and judgment is taken out of the picture, many previously hesitant resource speakers start to spill out the beans and talk more freely. This was exactly how senators described dismissed Bamban Mayor Alice Guo's demeanor during their executive session, the details of which will remain privy to those who were in it only. Daniel Manalastas tells us more.
Your Honor, hindi pa ako mastermind. Masasabi ko po, isa pa akong victim. I think sa tagal po na investigation, alam na rin po ng committee po, especially chaired by our Madam Chairman, who's really at the back of everything po.
One crucial personality was confirmed by Alice Guo during the executive session of the last Senate hearing on illegal pogos, as confirmed by Senator Risa Hontiveros. Senators are bound by standing rules to remain silent on Alice Guo's disclosure in the last executive session.
Hindi pa din ako masyadong satisfied sa mga pahayag sa executive session. Bagamat, there was one crucial personality confirmed by Guo Huaping. This corroborates a theory that the committee shared a month ago.
Senator J.V. Ejercito believes there's a bigger fish to fry behind this pogo mess, and he believes they are unsavory characters from an international crime syndicate.
Ang sa akin, ang importante icebreaker to, no? Ang importante siguro mapalagay muna si Alice. May mga sinabi siya kung paano siya napasok, pero siyempre, ay sorry, kaya hindi ko na pwedeng masabi yan. Kung magsabi po siya nung pinaka most guilty, tinanong ko siya kung siya ay guilty, sabi niya hindi, least guilty. So, kung masabi niya kung sino talagang mastermind, then yun naman importante, malaman natin yung pinakapuno di ba? Ako naniniwala, baka pawn lang ito yung mga yung mga babaeng ito So, hintayin natin.
Senator Ronald De La Rosa believes their executive session did not go to waste and yielded something productive or worthwhile.
Siguro, kung nag-lie siya before, meron siyang rason bakit nilay. Pero during executive session, makita mo man kung talagang freewheeling yung kanyang mga statements, then ibangga mo, i-compare mo sa
Ex-PNP Chief Benjamin Acorda, meanwhile, seems to have found an ally in fellow former PNP Chief Tru De La Rosa. Acorda's picture with alleged pogo personalities like Yang and Wesley Guo was shown in the last hearing.
If a picture paints 1,000 words, then how can I... Matino man siya na tao. Kilala ko yan, kilala ko. Ito nga masasabi ko, kung ikaw ay chief PNP na, nasa topmost position ka na ng organization, dudumihan mo pa ba yung sarili mo sa mga bagay-bagay na yan? Sa public official, public servant, ang daming magpapapicture sa'yo. Ang dami talagang magpapapicture. Ibig sabihin ba, kung kakilala mo yung isang drug lord, drug protector ka na rin pala.
Daniel Manalastas from the National TV for a new and better Philippines.